Alright, this is the Krups GX5000. I'm going to show you how simple this is. Pop open the lid. Get your coffee beans. Ooh. Make sure you don't cross this max line. And I set this to 12 for the maximum amount of cups and the finest possible. You can make it coarse, but I like it fine for putting it into my K-cups. So all you gotta do now is press the button and watch it go to work. Whoops. So shoots the coffee out there, and you watch it fill up. It does stop. One thing about this machine is that when you pull out this box, it does get kind of messy, so that's why I always lay out a paper towel and just tap it a couple times to let it settle, you know. There we go. Quick, fast, easy to use. Link is in the description below. As you can see, super easy to use, super efficient, cheap. I'm working answer for electric coffee grinder. Subscribe for more. Peace.